This season, Galadriel's being driven more by a bigger purpose, and I feel she's once again becoming connected with Middle-earth and with all the people in it. That's making her quest more important, since Sauron is building his strength.
Here we are in Mordor. One of the exciting things about this series, we're going to get to see Sauron out in the open, making everything happen. We'll be able to watch it all unfold.
With Durin, his relationship with his father has gone, and his pride has taken a massive hit.
The darkness did reach him. He's received the biggest blow to his spirit thus far.
It gets a little darker. The chessboard's been set, and I'm seeing the chess pieces move.
The second season, it really feels like the gloves come off.
Brace yourself.
Set a watch at every crossing. He must not escape.
I've had an unexpected visitor.
Who'd have thought a ring could have so much power?
You should name a show after it. The Power of Rings. Or what about Rings of
Rings
Power?
of Power.
And it's just really exciting to finally be back. I'm just so grateful to be a part of it.
Here we are in new territory, new places to visit.
I mean, the set is almost too scary to go into. Don't look.
The detail that the craftsmen put in there is incredible. You absolutely get lost when you're here.
When you're in costume on the set, you're going to discover even more wonderful things to do.
We kind of touched on it and teased on it in season 1. This time, you will see us in all our glory.
There's things that we're doing that are completely new, and you do sort of get plunged straight into the story.
It's been a long way. Some bad things might have happened. Some good things may have happened. And there's a lot of danger, a lot of excitement. But we're back in Middle-earth.
Will you fight?
An evil, ancient and powerful, has returned.
Prepare yourselves.
He worms his way inside your mind. The rest of him slithers in.
I think he has been here. I think he's been here among us all along.
Every soul in Middle-earth is in peril.